Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation. Today, we will be sitting by a tropical stream in the rainforest and focusing on the present moment. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and let yourself be fully present at this moment. As you breathe in and out, imagine that you are sitting by a beautiful tropical stream in the rainforest. Surrounded by lush trees and the sounds of the rainforest. Listen to the sound of the water as it flows down the stream. Keep focusing on your breath. Imagine the cool mist from the waterfall hitting your face, and the cool breeze blowing through the trees. Take another deep breath in, and hold it for a few seconds. Then, release it slowly. Allow your mind to become still and quiet, just like the peaceful surroundings. Focus on your breath and the sounds around you. Let go of any thoughts or worries that may be occupying your mind. Just be here, in this moment, by the tropical stream in the rainforest. Take another deep breath in, hold it for a few seconds, and then release it slowly. Take another deep breath in, hold it for a few seconds, and then release it slowly. Imagine that with each breath, you are breathing in peace and calm. And with each exhale, you are letting go of any stress or tension. Spend a few moments here, simply being present and focusing on your breath. When you're ready, imagine taking a final deep breath in, holding it for a few seconds, and then releasing it slowly. Slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed and calm. Take this sense of peace and calm with you as you go about your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May you continue to find peace and happiness in each moment. Namaste.